Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to rig beam ropes inside your boat slip to make short-handed docking easier. If you dock your boat short-handed or single-handed in a slip, you might find it difficult to keep your boat centered in the slip until you can get all docking lines attached. This can be even more challenging if you have a crosswind blowing from the left to the right or right to the left, as shown in these illustrations. Most skippers rig a chest-high set of lines between the pilings to hang docking lines, but you might want to rig a second additional set of lower lines to help keep the boat inside her slip. Follow these easy steps to rig these containment lines, called beam ropes, to make slip docking easier. First, you want to measure the slip, determine the distance from the outer to inner piling. Add a few feet to your measurements so that you have enough line to tie off the bitter ends to pilings. Next, you want to rig your beam ropes. Belay one end to the outermost pilings and take a round turn and 2 half hitches on the inboard pilings to make adjustments easier. In the final step, adjust the height of your beam ropes. Set each beam rope at a height just below the tow rail. That way, if you blow down onto the rope, it will catch the hull before it can slide further into an adjacent slip. Check your beam ropes from time to time and remove the slack as needed. Now you know how to use the secret of beam ropes to make short-handed or single-handed docking safer and easier in any sailing season. Use easy sailing tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.